into it. So I'm going to be doing this French tip design on these almond short nails. And so again, I'm trying to go between using the actual nail art tube brushes and the actual liner brushes that you can buy individually. I am going to learn the correct terminology. You all bear with me. There's so many things I have to learn, so I hope you all are just on this journey with me of learning more about nails, taking care of my nails, and how to have healthier nails. And so again, girls love a French tip, okay? If you can get that French line crisp and precise, you got you some girls, okay? And so I'm trying to get down with the girlies who want to get that French tip. I want to be the expert to be like, yo, she could do a 5 French tip, okay? No matter the shape, no matter what design, I'm with it. I want to get my line artwork down, so I thought this is the perfect opportunity for me to try to learn how to do that. And so in the video, I'm just going to be showing you all, my struggles and trying to get that point like dead in the center. And in reality, it's not really always perfect when it comes to doing nails. Like I always say, your mistakes can become masterpieces. And so as I continue to make mistakes with it, I just go with it and see what it turns out to be. And this set turned out really, really cute. Am I going to wear them? Yes. These are also going to go to my friend who I am giving these nails to. Like, they're going to be cute. And she's actually my first client. So, woohoo, my first client. So, of just getting press-on-nails. But it's the opportunity to see what you can do and show what you are made of, to just keep practicing. We make mistakes. And so, again, this is just me watching, me saying, you know what? I'm going to get better. I'm going to keep trying. I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to take my time. But the actual time, this video was not done in 14 minutes. But, again, I am enjoying the process, and so just trying to figure it out and work on it, see how you can do it. It's a work in progress. I'm going to get there, and I'm going to master. I'm just picking up my brushes again after months of not really doing nails for a while, because like I always say, I'm a teacher, and teacher life takes over sometimes, and so I miss out on doing the creative things that I love to do. And so I'm just trying to strengthen my artistic skill in what God's given me to make it better. So that comes with nurturing it, meaning doing it, practicing it, over and over again until you get it right. So just you see me here doing these designs, wiping it off, taking off, like no. And that's the one thing I love about gel polish, is when it is set, when it's cured, it is set. So if you make a mistake, you can always wipe it off, and it does not ruin the base polish. And then that base polish, in my head, acts as like a cover acrylic. Most of the time when people get their nails done, women are now using cover acrylic. They're not using a clear acrylic anymore as the base. They're using the cover acrylic. So when I always do my base gel color, I'm thinking this is my color cover acrylic, basically, for the nail. And always remember that as you apply the gel will transform the size and the look of the nail. So that's why I always say, be mindful of how much polish you put in each layer. But the layers do build the length and the strength of the nail to last and hold as long as you want it to. So just remember to take your time and just continue to practice. Go back in, look at it from side to side, different angles, figuring out what it is that you want to fix. And again, they look pretty good. I'm going to go with it. I'm not going to change it, because the more and more you change it, the more and more you mess it up. Now you're going to see me go in and make these connecting lines from the base, the center of the nail, from the base to touching the French lines. And so I'm going to try to get them as crisp as I can, pigmented as I can. And sometimes I'm trying to get my ratio between how much product should be on my brush and how much product shouldn't be on my brush, in order to get the right lines. Because like you can see on that thumb, that left line is pigmented, it's good. That right line, it will be perfect, but the pigmentation is off. So that is another struggle. I'm like, okay, then I'm having to go back in with a second coat. So I'm trying to find products that will allow for me to have that one swipe when I get it right the first time, and I don't have to go back in the second time with like a second coat of polish. So that is what I'm working on with that. But again, enjoy the journey, play with it. Nails are fun, it's creative, it's artistic. If you are doing your nails at home and wanting to do your gel nails and do press-on nails, again, these press-on nails last me a good 2 to 3 weeks, again, because I know what I do every day. I know what length I need to have longevity of my nails. If I go out and I get some long extendo nails, they're not going to last me 2 or 3 weeks because of what I'm doing. And that depends on type of work. I could not just be, I could just doing some small things. It doesn't require me to use my hands a lot. So yeah, I can wear those extendos. Or for me, they're the perfect time if there's a night out or an event or something, I'm going to go a little longer with my nails. But day to day, no, I'm going to go short to medium. And so it's all, again, knowing what you do every day of the press-on nails, because they do last and they are amazing. I love them. I love them for forever. And so, yes, they get the job done without me having to do the Gel X. And these could be done with Gel X as well, because of the base color is not very dark. It's kind of translucent. You can kind of see through it a little bit. And so if you wanted to cure it with gel, it would be able to reach that gel through the nail. So here I'm going to be showing you that I put the silver line down the middle. Wherever the lines meet, I'm going to drag that silver liner straight down the middle of the nail. here I'm going to be making this X pattern all across each of these nails. And so I'm going to be taking that line from the base, meeting it at the silver line, and then I'm going to clean up if it crossed over into the glitter line. And so just making sure that it touches the glitter line. And I'm going to do that on all of those nails. Here you see I had already placed the rhinestones on top of the nail and then my whole base coat and everything. But I'm going to show you how I applied the rhinestones to the nail in the next clip. Okay, here I'm going to be applying my base coat. Again, I always, before I put my rhinestones onto my design, depending on the design, I put a base coat down so that the glue can merge with the gel polish so it won't be so evident of where the glue is in the nail. And so here I put my base coat down, and then I'm going to be going in with those rhinestones and silver beads. I'm going to be putting the rhinestone in the middle and then the silver beads on the side. Y'all, and so this Macart rhinestone glue tube gives me the blues. I love the glue, but I just got to figure out how to get it to not just come out. It comes out so thick and so much, and I'm like, no, I don't want that much. Slow down. Like, I don't want that much. And it's like too much comes out, and then I got to swirl it around. I do like the glue, love the glue, but I got to figure, I wish the packaging was different. I wish they would create like a little skinnier little point in there to where the glue can just slide down through, you know, easy, precise, exactly where I want it to go. This, I'm like, I put too much. That's why I also work with putting my base down first to help any glue mistakes. Here is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, remember, take your time with yourself. Continue to do the artwork. Enjoy. Nails are fun. Just create anything. We love nails. They look beautiful. See you in the next one.